Hello friends, welcome back to our series on fear, and today we are going to talk about fear of not being able to perform well at your workplace or in your job. One of the commonest reasons for this is that if you have been not so sincere student and one of those students who has been focusing more on cramming up the last minute and just with the intention of clearing the examinations, you know that you have really not gained a lot of knowledge during that process. So you will always have self doubt whether you will be able to perform, because you might feel that I actually do not know how to do things. Second reason can be if you are appointed for a job which does not match with your aptitude, which does not come to you very naturally, then it takes a lot of extra efforts to understand even the smallest details about that particular work. In this case, every time you may not, if you are not able to apply your knowledge or your wisdom because of lack of aptitude for that particular field or for that particular work, you would always have this fear that if I am assigned something new, again I will not be able to do what I am supposed to do. But this fear is also seen in people who have been in that particular type of work for a very, very long time. Every time there is some new assignment given to them, they are gripped with fear and anxiety that I will not be able to perform or do this. Um, the common reason for this is that when you are in a job or a profile for a very long time, many people tend to forget that they have to keep upgrading themselves. They have to keep getting knowledge of what's happening new, especially if you're talking in the field of software, in the field of technology. Every day there is something new, and if you have not been applying yourself to learning new things, then there would come a point in your life where you would be exposed to something that you would be feeling or gripped with fear that I may not be able to perform in this particular kind of work. So as you see that this fear of performance is basically related to your confidence of being able, being having knowledge about that particular field that you have to apply yourself to. So the simplest answer to this is, if you are always having this kind of a fear, then please look into your own profile and see, number one, is this job really the fit for me, or maybe I'm made for something else and I would like to do something else where I can be more natural, and maybe I can give more inputs to this requirements of my job. So is this job really suitable for me? Ask yourself. If it's not, people have this tendency of saying that, so what if it is not very suitable to my aptitude, what else can I do, I have to keep doing because I have to pay bills and I have a family to take care of. I understand it all, but if you are not living a good quality of life, for which I think is the basic reason of why we work and put in all the efforts, then you really have to think that, is it worth keep on doing this for the rest of your life? I am not asking you to just quit and walk off from there, but there can be a way. If you just identify that, okay, this is the problem and this is not something which I would like to continue doing rest of my life, feeling fear and anxiety all the time. If you are ready to accept this in the first step, then you can work with a counselor or a career guide. Start working on, number one, identifying the career which is right for you, then preparing yourself for that particular career, and slowly, once you have established yourself in something else, or once you are ready for something new, then quitting the job at hand. So I'm not saying just quit offhand, but think about it. If this is not for you, then whatever you do, it will always give you a sense of fear or not being in the right place altogether. Secondly, if you feel that, no, this is where I want to be, but I always have this fear of performance, then I think that you should look into, are you constantly upgrading yourself, or are you afraid that if the new people come, when the new technology comes, I will become outdated, or I may not be able to perform as expected. So if that is the fear, then please look into it, that am I putting enough efforts into updating myself, upgrading myself very, very regularly. And the third thing is that you can sit with one of your seniors, discuss with them that, I would like to understand my job profile properly. I would like to understand, and these are the areas where I would like some more training. See, accepting that I do not know and being ready for learning is the first step of getting rid of any kind of fear. So I hope that helps you. Do send your feedbacks, and let's see that what else we can talk about fear next time.